Hey guys, this is December 1st, after midnight, and I decided to do a major weather climate change update because we did have a small snowfall in beginning to middle of October. It was like middle of October. For about a week, maybe at the most. I think we only had like 2 small snowfalls that melted after like 2 or 3 days. And then we had another bit of fall after that, and it was mostly cold and rainy after that. We had like maybe 5 days of like warm fall weather, and then it got cold and rainy. And now I assume a cold front is moving in and we're gonna have more snow because it's literally December in Michigan. I don't remember the last time we had a thunderstorm in December. I think I remember having some like in January or definitely in February, but like by now we should have had snow. We usually have snow around Thanksgiving or before Thanksgiving, sometimes even in Halloween we have snow. But this is like ridiculous. Like I'm shivering and I'm trying to, that's why I'm shaking, sorry. And I'm trying to like go to bed and fucking thunderstorms. Scaring my cat, shaking the walls, and been really, really windy for like several hours, half the afternoon. Sorry, my window's all crappy. I just cleaned them like not even a week ago. But, yeah, this is my life, and I'm trying not to start having one of my seizures because I usually do when I get cold. And so I just wanted to get up and record this so I could make a memory of December 1st, 2019. Fucking miserable weather. And this kind of weather really makes me hope there's not any stray cats out there, because that would suck. And I really think about that a lot because I don't have a house out there right now on the porch like I usually do in the winter. I did have one, but the cat that I had been feeding, I took to the shelter, so I didn't see any other stray cats yet this year, and hopefully there's not any out there that are freezing and wet, because I really hate that. So anyway, just wanted to do a weather report. Gotta love climate change. And I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out.